Hello friends, welcome back to another video in Short Race. Today in this video I will review on Bybit exchange. Bybit is the exchange which is the best derivative exchange nowadays ongoing with the highly deposit bonus up to 30,000. You can deposit and earn free money from Bybit. There is a link available in the description. If you use my link you can get up to 30,000 deposit bonus. First of all, you have to sign up and with the link below in the description, and then you have to complete your KYC. When you've done your KYC, after that you can see this main page. For the deposit, there is a many features you can use to deposit. You can buy in a second, one click deposit. You can use P2P with 30 plus fiat currency and 300 plus payment methods which will suit you. Fiat deposit, you can deposit directly from your bank account, Visa card, MasterCard. Crypto deposit, you can directly deposit from other exchange, spot wallet from other exchange to Bybit exchange. Hardware wallet, software wallet, anywhere you have funds you can transfer to Bybit exchange directly. Within a few seconds the funds will be in your Bybit exchange. When you deposit you will get up to 30,000 a deposit bonus, only available on when you registered with the link provided in the description. Second thing, if you are a new trader you can use many features. There is a trading bot available. If you don't know how to trade, you can use trading bot feature. There is the three type of bots: spot grid bot, DCA bot and future grid bot. You can use to make the profit. If you don't know how to trade, how to make the profit, these bots will help you to make buy and sell and make you profit. Another feature there is a in derivative portion is a copy trade feature. If you go to the derivative option and there is the option copy trading, there is a many master traders available. You can follow anyone which suits you, and you can make the profit even though you don't need to do anything. Only you have to follow which master trader suits you. The best thing is you will pay only 10% of your profit to master trade and 90% profits will be in your account. You don't need to pay from your original money, only the shares profit will be from your profit money. The second best feature is you can follow as many master traders you want. If you go to join as, if you are an advanced trader you can apply to join as a master trader. So there is as well many features available for the advanced traders. The people, they can follow you, you can earn from the copy trading feature. As well, if you go on the spot trading, you can use buy and sell options from spot trading. Just for buy or sell, there is a margin trading option, or leverage token, which is like a 3 time up or 3 time down leverage token without having a risk of liquidation. You can, if you are advanced trader, you can buy which coin suits you and you feel like this can be make you profit. So there is another feature with a leverage token. As well as if you go on the finance option, there is a earn option. If you see, there is a few options like Bybit saving, liquidity mining, dual assets mining, launch pool. Currently there is a few projects going on. You can deposit and earn up to 49.7% APY a year. That is huge earning without doing anything. I don't think so there is other exchange or anyone they are providing this kind of facilities in one platform. Bybit have a huge community as well. Many announcements they make. There is a lot of earning opportunities available on Bybit exchange. I suggest you to start using the Bybit exchange today and start your crypto journey with Bybit. And the good thing is when you deposit, you will get a deposit bonus, and that bonus you can use to make the trade and make the profit without losing your original assets. And that's a huge thing. And up to 30,000 deposit bonus, that is a huge deposit bonus. Currently, Bybit exchange is providing you. I don't think so you have to lose this opportunity. This is a limited time opportunity, so don't miss this opportunity. You can use my link in the description and start trading from today and earn profit in this bear market. I hope this video helped you start your crypto journey. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Telegram or Twitter. And if you want to start, click the link in the description and start your crypto journey. Thank you so much. Hope this video will help you. Hope to see you in new video with new content.